Alright, so for the Parcel Drop Box, this is what we got. 1/2 inch plywood for 2.5 by 1.5, 8 feet. 2 spray cans, caramel, construction screws, 2 T-hinges, 4 small door hinges, the drum pull, impact, glasses, tape measure, pencil, gloves, chalk box, skill saw, backpack. Alright, so right here, I started measuring out my studs. I measured them out at 58 inches because that's how high I want my box to be. So I'm going to use a skill saw to cut all my wood. That includes my studs and my plywood. As you can see here, I start screwing in the studs at length at 19 inches because that's how long I want the sides to be. And this is me measuring out the other studs because I have to make 2 boxes and then I'm going to connect them. You'll soon see that. So I ended up switching from screws to nails because I didn't have enough long screws. I used a small piece of stud to hold the 2 boxes together, and I had measured them out from outside to outside 22 inches. So for the bottom, I chose to use 3 pieces of 4 inch by 1 inch. This just scrap wood that I had lying around. Also, I used the short screws with these because I only had to clear 1 inch from the wood to hit the stud. And now I get ready to start cutting the plywood to put in the sides. So right here I'm actually screwing down the plywood on the sides. As you can see here, I have 2 sides done and I'm working on the 3rd side. I didn't want to use that whole sheet of plywood, so what I did with this side is I cut it into 2 pieces. Here I had screwed down the sides of the plywood already. In the front I have a door which I put 2 hinges, one on the top, one on the bottom. On the top I have a piece of plywood, 2 hinges, and the knob. This is me after I painted. So right here I'm just framing out a little box so that I can pour a slab of concrete at 24 inches off the wall, and it's going to be by 26 inches. Alright, so right here I'm cutting down 2 pieces of threaded rod in order to secure the box onto the concrete. The bottom of the box, I'll make 2 holes in order to put the thread rod. hasp and padlock, and we got a master lock. They were each $10, so $20 total. Thank you all you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below.